Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hairology. I hope you will be fine. In today's video, I have brought stack bob haircut for you. Hairstyles are constantly growing and changing. Every time you think you know the basics of hairstyling, something new pops up with a celebrity sporting something that most popular have never seen before, and then it's the talk of the town. One of the styles that become popular over the last few years is the stack bob, with variations on the style becoming one of the most popular in 2022. However, with all the fuss over different hairstyles, this one may be a bit difficult to understand. Essentially, a stack bob, also called a graduated bob, is one that has layers stacked up at the back. It's short but layered. Along the sides, the length gradually becomes longer until you reach the desired length in the front. That's all. You really need to call a style a stack bob, but its simplicity has made it a favorite for people who don't like to spend a lot of time on their hair. A stack bob only requires layers in the back, which means there are a number of ways to do the front of the hair, and that allows you to show your creativity using a widely popular style. With a stack bob, you don't have to do much styling, and that's made it immensely popular for a variety of people. Even if you do love to style your hair in the morning, graduated bobs gives you the option to pull a brush through your hair and go. It's something that sets it apart from many other bob styles. If you want to know about more haircuts and hairstyles, then subscribe my YouTube channel Hairology and stay blessed. Thanks for watching my videos.